So here we have adult roles and responsibilities as our main topic in our mind map, and we're using the website called Meister. This is a digital app that you can use to create like a flow chart or, like in this case, a mind map. So my theme is adult roles and responsibilities. If you click on this and you hit tab, it creates a whole nother subtopic. So I created 3 different subtopics by hitting tab, and I put lifespan, roles and responsibilities, financial responsibility, individual, family, management and resources, and within those, if you click on the bubble and you hit tab, it starts another sub branch, so you can type in information. That's how I added the 3 points or 2 points to each of these. And within those points, you can add graphics. So this one, if you click on the arrow, it takes you to the website with information relevant to the topic. So if you go back to this, then you have the 3 points, and you can also add a picture. So if you go over to this sidebar, you can change the sizing, you can change the color of everything, you can add little graphics, or you can add an image, and that's what I did when I put a link in here. I just added an image that I thought fit well with what the link went to. So then again, over here you have your topic, and then I hit tab. For example, if you hit tab, I could put another topic in here, and you just type and put whatever you would like to put. And again, this is another link, and you just click the arrow and it takes you to the website that is relevant. You can scroll through there. There's also videos you can see within there. So if you go back here, then again, you can use this too, this plus sign, and it also puts another sub bubble for you to type in. Or you can hit undo to undo what you did, or to hit forward again to put it back. So basically, this is just a great way to, have your thoughts well organized. If you're doing a writing assignment, you could also use this app in many other classrooms besides just adult roles and responsibilities, but this is a good way for students just to express their thoughts and be able to have subcategories to really deepen what they want to cover or what they want to learn or what they could potentially learn within these subtopics. Because these are some topics that adult roles and responsibility course covers, and within these I just put examples of what you could be learning in that subject.